think that's so unfair for me to work. I gotta work 40 hours a week to get a check, and you gonna sell me something that you've cooked yesterday, you reheated for today. No. If I feel like it should be a rule that if you're gonna sell day old food, it needs to be notated. Like, you know, you go to a donut shop, they sell day old donuts, but they don't sell them at the fresh price. And that's...
If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep. I had to earn my stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5. Yeah, we be taking everything for granted, no lie. Cause I remember days that we could barely get by. Used to use the negativity to get high, but now the comments we reading can ruin our lives. Why? It used to be easy back on Easy Street. Hollywood ain't that good, it's going down like it's on a needed beat. Even though now it's lobster, all on top of my pasta, I can still feel laughter, like the head of a roster.
Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. 2 more days and it's a 4-day weekend. Yes. How's everybody doing? Y'all please stay safe and cool, because I'm in Louisiana and my car right now says 95, but yesterday I got in my car, my dash said 108. I was like, oh my goodness. But I knew we were going to have a real hot summer, but I just hope we have a early fall. I really do. So, welcome all my new subscribers. Thank y'all for stopping by. It's all love over here. It's Wednesday night. So we got Wednesday Bible school tonight. Y'all, this is my 3rd day. Let's see, today Wednesday. So Monday and Tuesday, y'all know I have if you watch my channel, I have my nuts, my peanuts and my apples for breakfast. And both days I had watermelon for lunch. So yesterday, I ate that watermelon. No, yes, I did. I ate the watermelon and I sat there and said, ooh, I'm still hungry. So, I got in my car and I thought about, let me go get me some Popeye's chicken. So I know if y'all look at me a lot, if y'all watch me, y'all know I was talking about lately when I go out to eat, the chicken hasn't been fresh. And so I got the Popeyes. It was like 12:30. It wasn't that many people in line. It was one truck ahead of me. And so when I got up there, you know, I always speak. I said, hi. I said, do you have any chicken fresh out of the grease? And it kind of took her off. I could tell that it caught her off guard. She said, well, she come back. I'm sure she asked somebody. And she said, well, yeah, we could have something in 15 minutes. It's 12:30. So, y'all, I'm telling y'all, I already know. I've seen it. I've even talked about it. A lot of times when you're the first person in line, you getting stuff from the day before. And I just think that's so unfair for me to work. I got to work 40 hours a week to get a check. And you going to sell me something that you've cooked yesterday, you reheated for today. No. If I feel like it should be a rule that if you're going to sell day old food, it needs to be notated. Like, you know, you go to a donut shop, they sell day old donuts, but they don't sell them at the fresh price. And that's just not right. I had a business, I couldn't do that to people. I would have day old stuff on a menu that would be cheaper. See, I just feel like this. If you do right by people, you're going to be blessed. If you have to do wrong, treat people wrong to get ahead, then you're not living right. I just feel that way. Everybody don't feel that way. Everybody got their preference, and that's fine. I get that. But then you know what? Sometimes your business suffer too, because I have places that I have not been back to because of the food. And I'm going to go over here and get this chicken place a try, because I got watermelon at work, but I'm hungry today. I cooked breakfast for dinner last night, and I didn't really eat a lot of it. And then, you know, I had just had the watermelon and the peanuts yesterday, and I just had the peanuts and the apple this morning. And so I'm a little hungry than usual, and I'm not going straight home. We got church today. Well, I got to go home and pick my son up, but we got Wednesday night. Right now, we're having Wednesday night Bible school. Instead of Sunday school, we call it Wednesday night Bible school. We do our Sunday school lessons. So, yeah. Now, it don't have a lot of cars online, but I'm going to ask them if they have any chicken fried fresh out the grease. Watch. Let's see what they say. Let's see what they say. Hey, do y'all have any just chicken that's fresh out of the grease? Just fried?
Yes, they're all fresh, man.
All right, let me have a number 1 breast and thigh with fries. Coke Zero. That'd be all.
Breast thigh fried and Coke Zero, 857.
Hi. I guess y'all wonder why you get a breast and a thigh. Y'all, this chicken over here, one time I got a drumstick and it was about that big. It was the size of my finger. My pinky finger at that.
Breast thigh fried Coke Zero?
Uh-huh. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. So I'm gonna see. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Thank you for catching that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You too. Do this chicken look fresh? This is not even crispy. I really need to take this shit back. I don't think it's fresh. I'm gonna try it.